Baby.
What do you want, son?
What you doing?
What you laying? Lay down. And why got this stupid camera in my face already? It ain't even time for that.
I mean, it's all
I
the
ain't get
time.
up. I might get up in about another hour.
You gotta cook up breakfast.
I'm not cooking nothing. A hurricane's finna come. I bought them damn
What
canned
hurricane?
goods. It's coming.
What hurricane?
I bought
Look,
them damn
let me
canned
see.
goods yesterday, baby. You can't have no.
Do y'all see a hurricane out there? Do y'all see a hurricane out there? It's a sunny day. Sunny day. It is a sunny day.
Stop.
You make me breakfast. Make me some breakfast.
Show. Go eat them damn canned goods. It's a ravioli.
That's for emergency use only. As y'all can see, we got some nice bed. We doing it, old school style.
Ain't
right on the
nothing
floor.
ain't nothing nice about this bed. My back
We
is
ain't gotta worry
hurt.
about no support because the
Show.
floor got us.
My back is hurt.
I'm fine.
I'm sexually frustrated because I can't have no husband and wife time.
take care of
So
it.
I'm in the living
We're
room.
gonna take care of it.
When it get finished, do you know how long it's been? Shit. I mean, shoot.
You done said it now. Y'all can see we got clothes everywhere. It looks like we're on a scene of horrors in here. Shoot. Let's let y'all look at the room so you can see why. See why. JoJo, see why. See, this is the room. This right here used to be a porch. Pretty much, we used to come back here and barbecue. This right here used to be an unscreened porch, well, pretty much. Just a pavilion, per se. A roof and poles out there. And, this is the bathroom. This used to be nothing. This used to be the ground. This used to be the sky. You step off this right here. Step out there right there, you step on the ground. So this was built from the ground up right here. And reason it look all like this, got all this stuff in here because I brought this stuff in them. And because we expect some high winds and rain tonight or whatever. Like I said that, they won't see me tonight at work. I do not drive no highway when it's raining hard and wind and all this stuff. They even blow me in my Ram. Me and old Rambo ain't finna go off road. No. But yep, we almost through with this. Just gotta put the AC vents in and do some more in the bathroom. We be done. Yeah. Let me show y'all something.
Category 5.
Let me show y'all something. I told you we're going to be a category 5. See y'all. See what I'm saying? I'm not going to work tonight. This thing is a category 5 hurricane. Winds of 150 miles plus mile per hour. But this is the white room, y'all. We had said it was going to be the game room, but this is the white room, entertainment room. What do you want to say? This is the room where somebody we just let stay here for about 2 years. They're going to be out of here. This is old boy's room right here. Old boy. This is the room where somebody we're going to let stay here for about 2 years. Then we're going to kick him out. Got to go. Got to get up out of here. Oh, yeah, this is Maya room. Hey, Maya. Want to close up? Close up.
Dad.
Close up.
Dad.
Close up! I leave it on. I spade this time. Like I said, this is the old boy room. Old boy room. Yeah! Get up! Get up! Get up! They always get me. And this why I do their height and stuff. Maya told me don't worry about her. Maya don't worry about her height because she's still the same height from last year.
I've been the same height since I was like 12. I'm almost 16.
Shorty. I'm gonna get your height though later on though. But yeah, this is us, y'all. Right now, we is.
Why are you showing the house a mess like this?
We're compacting here like
But why
sardines.
are you showing the house a mess like this?
I mean,
They ain't even brushed their teeth. Ain't no bed been made or nothing. Guess what? I'm negative under this thing. Did you know that?
That's TMI. They ain't even know all this.
I'm just saying. What if I had I had a hot
Well,
flash.
since you're saying that, I got gray shorts on then. How about that? You want me to turn it on me?
I'm just saying, don't play with me. No, I'm just saying. What if I had just said, "Ooh, I'm hot," and then he records and then I'm back.
Then I've been hit the sensor bar or something. I know how to do the fuzzy bar or whatever. We got to mute you some, because you've been saying some stuff that's not pleasing to the camera.
God here, you don't map on no damn camera. Turn it off, Joe.
I guess I turn it off, y'all. But yeah, then y'all know it look like a scene of hoarders in here. But we packed like sardines and we happy. We happy.
We're not happy, so stop lying.
We are.
You are. And why
Y'all
are you yelling?
Y'all always give me doing pranks on me and stuff, throwing water in my face while I'm trying to sleep.
You know what?
In my mouth
you
and
lucky you
stuff.
put the water on me because I've been yapping start swinging.
You always get up before me and you always go sleep after
last
me.
night I laid down late. I'm tired. They walking at me doing all this stuff. I'm tired.
Yeah. You know what? I might just give me Walker to prank you or something. How about that?